Hi, and welcome to part one of how to use the admin section in HRSi by Recruitment Force. So one question that I would always get asked is, can we edit the drop-down lists within the database? Well, within HRSi, we've tried to make the system as user-friendly and as customizable as possible to the way your company needs to use it. So an example that we're going to talk about here is these drop-downs. So we'll look at CV source, and the CV source here shows the different choices that we have. Okay. However, perhaps there's one that is in there that you don't use, or there's one missing. So how do you add that? Okay. Well, most of the drop-downs within the database are editable. We go to the admin section, click on this shortcut to admin, and go straight to Manage Default Data. When we click on that, it takes us to this screen, and we're looking at the master type. So we look at CV source, and it shows the list up here. Okay, so what we'll do to show that that list has changed and show the different things you can do, we've got CW jobs, and that wasn't displaying because it's not being used. So first thing is we can add that one. Okay, so we edit, tick CW jobs, and update. Okay, and for this example, let's say that we are not using Planet anymore. We would simply go into edit. You can see that that tick is in blue now, so we can remove that. It doesn't delete it from the list, it just removes it from display in case you want to bring it back on at a later time. Hit update, and now we should find that that is not within the list next time that we look. Okay, so what we can also do is add more to this list. So let's add one, and for instance, sales ladder. Let's imagine that this person needs this customer needs to use sales ladder for CVs. So hit save, and we'll find that the description has been added, and in that list we can see sales ladder is there. Okay, so if we go back to people and now go into a contact and have a look, CV source, when we click on here we can see that CW jobs is now there, Planet, nope, that's not there, and sales ladder is there. It's as simple as that to adjust the drop downs to the way you may want them. Nearly all the drop downs can be adjusted. Some of them can't because they are needed to work other parts of the database. If there's any that you need to add data to or remove data from and it can't be, just drop us an email and we'll explain why it can't, or if there's any way we can help and add the extra information for you, we'll be happy to do that at no charge. Thank you.